Religion is dead without laughter. Religion is dead without cheerfulness, without happiness. Religion becomes really alive when there is total laughter, passionate, intense laughter. When you really laugh, belly full of laughter, when you smile from inside, each cell of your body, it dances, it vibrates into your whole being. And the vibration becomes so big, you feel you are very small in that aura of vibration. Completely ego disappears. That's what exactly happens in laughter. This may not even happen in your prayers. Sometimes prayer makes your ego very strong because of all your authorities in prayer. In prayer, ego becomes concrete, solid. But when you have a good laughter, when you are so happy, laughing, dancing, singing, when you're in a very light mood, door opens, some window open. When ego is there, you are not there. When ego is not there,